A pet food manufacturer creates a new treat for our furry friends. After being packaged and in storage for a while, they noticed a white residue forming on the surface of the treat. Not having the resources to test the residue, the manufacturer turns to Eurofins. First, Eurofins removes the white residue from the treat. With the residue isolated, Eurofins uses two tests to determine its chemical composition. The first test Eurofins runs on the treat is FTIR, or Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy. Infrared light is used to determine the fingerprint of the chemicals that make up the white residue. As light passes through the residue, some of the light of the specific wavelengths is absorbed by the chemicals in the residue and the rest passes through. Measuring the amount of light absorbed as a function of wavelength gives a fingerprint spectrum to the chemical compounds present, allowing them to be identified. The second test Eurofins performs is ICP-MS, or Inductively Coupled Plasma Mass Spectrometry. This test ionizes the residue. The ions are then sorted according to mass and are measured, determining the metals and non-metals present in the residue. With these two tests, Eurofins was able to determine the white residue was a flavoring compound used in the dog treats that had risen to the surface due to moisture moving through the packaging and into the treat. After receiving these results, the manufacturer started packaging the treats with a moisture barrier to prevent the residue from reappearing.